Are we getting to the point where we can completely skip CAD for design? Let's talk about that next. Okay, so do we need CAD for design? I think the answer is obvious, yes, but there are some circumstances where we can skip it completely. So a new workflow to kind of consider and look at is if you have an existing part and you scan it in and create a 3D model. And you can use tools like Creaform. Faro has some technologies that do this as well as 3D Systems Geomagic. You can take a 3D, very detailed scan, get basically a point cloud, and then create a 3D model from that. Then you can take that into a tool for topology optimization or generative design, something like Xometry or Paramatters, again, completely independent of CAD, and run a generative design job on it and remove a bunch of material from the existing physical part and design. So once you have that, then you can go directly to something like 3D printing and additive. And you can go directly to there without needing to go into CAD. So we're starting to get to some workflows where you don't have to 3D model at all. There are going to be circumstances where you do need it, but if you can take an existing precedent in terms of a physical design, improve it, and then send it to additive or 3D printing, where you don't really need to do much of any preparation, it's kind of push button almost, that gets pretty interesting. And actually it can be very innovative as well, especially when you include generative design. So yeah, there are more and more use cases where you can do that directly. That's it. Take care and talk soon.